Hi, my name is Nairo Wilson Sacanamboy Garcia, of Group 255 of English 2. That's for speaking activity. I have been studying agronomy since year 2019. I have lived in Venezuela, Colombia. Since I was a child, I have been in this beautiful city for 5 years. I am married to Amy Rocio Pasaje. I have been married for 30 years but have been in a relationship since 1989. I am an agronomist and I have been studying at UNAD for 3 years. I did seen good and bad movies, the best film and have seen it War of the Galaxies, and the worst film and have seen horror films. I have had good experiences traveling. I have traveled to Mexico, Nariño, and the San Agustin Archaeological Park. These 3 places have positively impacted me. Thank you. Bye.